This is the Evermill pepper mill. I might have to say mill twice, but anyways, it's super heavy. Probably weighs about a pound, but that is the actual settings. So this is where you can adjust the grind. You just twist like a normal pepper mill. The cap is wooden and it comes off pretty easily, so you can refill it right there. And it came with, I mean, for $75, I think it was actually 130 when I requested this product. Um, but it came with these fancy peppercorns. So we'll go ahead and grab these, load it up a little bit. There you go. It holds that entire bag. So that bag is 3 ounces or 85 grams. And then we just pop the lid on. And again, this is a manual grinder, so you can hear that working. And I just got pepper all over my desk, so that's cool. But it's great. It's very sturdy. It's really polished, looks really nice, and it's a lot smaller than a lot of other grinders. It's probably only like 3 or 4 centimeters wide, or like an inch and a half here. So it's not going to take up a lot of space on the counter. But with the silver and I forget what they call this. It's what kind of wood they used on this, but it's really nice. It actually feels like real wood. It doesn't feel like any kind of, fake where they just put some gloss over the top of it. So super excited to use this, but it does have 8 different settings on the click wheel, and you just turn it left or right to dial in the size of the grind that you want. But there you go. That's the Evermill Peppermill.